Good morning, students. As we have started our chapter Rock Minerals and Soil, we have already discussed about the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. In the last class, we have discussed about the metamorphic rocks, as the metamorphic rocks are those that change from the parent rock into the new rock by the change of the heat and the pressure. In the today lecture, we are going to discuss in detail the examples of the metamorphic rock. As the three main examples of metamorphic rock are marble, slate, and quartzite. Number one is the marble. The word marble is taken from the marmar, means the shining stone, means the stone that has a beautiful luster. Now, the question is, how is marble made up of? Marble is made up of a calcium carbonate. And what is the color of marble? That can be white in color, red, black, grey, pink in color. Actually, the marble is made up of different size of crystal. It is also known as Sangmarmar, means the stone that is mainly white in color but having a shining luster. Actually, marble is a metamorphic rock that is made from the parent rock, that is the limestone, and the parent rock limestone by the increase of the temperature and pressure convert into the metamorphic rock, that is the marble. What is the use of the marble? We can use the marble as a building material, as the building material that our monuments like Taj Mahal is made up of the marble. Second, the sink tops. The sink that we are using in our home, that is also made up of marble. Third, bathtubs that in our using in our washroom or in our mainly daily routines, that are made up of marbles. Number one, the sculptures like uh, any of the sculpture is made up of the marble. Okay, the stone that we are using for our building material, like for our stairs, that is also made up of marble. So what about the marble? Marble is having mainly white in color but can be of red, black, grey in color, and mainly made up of the calcium carbonate, and it is very useful material. Second metamorphic rock is the quartzite. Quartzite is also a metamorphic rock that is made from the sandstone. What is the color of the quartzite? It is snowy white in color, but it can also be less pink or grey in color. And it is also a very hard rock. And you can also see in the figure that its color can be the light pink or grey in color, and it is also a very useful material. Third one is the slate. Slate is also a metamorphic rock that is actually made from the parent rock, that is the shale, and under the conversion of the or by the increase of the heat and the pressure, it is changed into a metamorphic rock, that is the slate. The slate is a fine-grained metamorphic rock composed of minute mica flakes, and you can see in the figure the slate. Now you can see what is the use of that slate. Slate we can use for the roof and also for floor tiles. Second, the blackboard that we are using in our school for writing with the help of the chalk. The blackboard is made up of actually slate metamorphic rock. Third one is the beds of the pool tables. The pool or snookers that we are using, or the kids are using for playing purpose, their table are made up of the slate, that is actually a metamorphic rock. So, conclusion about the slate. Slate is a metamorphic rock that is changed by the or formed by the heat and the pressure. It is made when mudstones called shale are changed by heat and pressure. Slate is blue, purple, grey in color. Slate is waterproof. The crystals that slate is made from are arranged in a layers. It is easy to cut into thin sheets due to its layering nature. It is useful for the roof, floor tiles, walls, decorative gravel or gravestones. So, student, what we have discussed in the today lecture about the examples of the metamorphic rock, that is about the slate, second about quartzite, and third one about the marble. Okay. If you have any doubt, and either call me or message me. Okay.